Hello students, in previous class we discussed about the international system. What are the base values available in the international system? We discussed in the last class. Okay, related to that one, we will do the exercise 1.2, 1.3. Okay, this is chapter name is numbers are around us. Numbers are around us. This is the chapter name of the new textbook of first chapter. Okay, in old textbook, knowing our numbers, just change the name only. Okay, knowing our numbers is nothing but numbers are around us. Okay, in this we have to write down what is the question given. Write the number in the digit by using international system value chart and write expanded form. Okay, they will give to you a word form is given to you. By using the word form, we have to represent that one in form of numbers. Later, write the expanded form. Already we know how we can write the expanded form. If you write the number form, it will be easy to you to write the expanded form. Okay, we will write a word form first. What is the word form is given there? What is the word form is given there? First we will learn. What is the word form is given there? Today two sums are there. In that first one, A sum 9,700,000 and 605. Okay, this is the given to you first question. Now we will write down word form. Already we know the groups. In international system we will know about the groups and the places. By using the groups or places we can write down number form. But I want to use here only groups. What are the groups are available in the what is the question given? 9 million. This means starting only with 9,700,000 and 605. Okay, international system groups. Which system we have to use here? International system. Which system we have to use here? International system. Only we have to use. So groups what are the available in the international system? Up to million we have to write. Up to million we have to write. Okay, totally unit group, thousand group, million group. Already we discussed in last class. Unit group, thousand group, million group, billion group, trillion group. Okay, now million group. Each group having 3 numbers, 3 digits. Each group having how many digits? 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits. That is ones, tens, 100. Thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Like that we will take. Now we will write 9 million. 9 is that means here we have 3 digits. 3 digits number will be available at million digits. But here 9 is a single digit or double digit or 3 digit number, single digit number. Whenever single digit number is given to you, start from here. Okay, 9. That means 0, 0, 9 we can write. 9 is nothing but directly we can write without zeros also we can write. Without zeros also we can write. 9,700,000. Okay, 700 after any number again? No. Again 600 again. 700 after no number again. In thousand place only 700,000 only again. 700,000. 700 we have to write 700,000. That means 100 place we have to write 7. 100 place we have to write 7 or 700. Next 605. 600. 100 place 6. 5 is the 10 place not given. 5. Which digits are left? Those we have to fill with 0. Which digits are left? Those we have to fill with 0. That means we have 2 digits missing there. Here 1 digit is missing. This is the answer. Now we will write an expanded form. Okay, these zeros we can write or not. That is our wish data. No need to worry about that. Now we can write an expanded form. How we can write an expanded form? Now we can what is the number here? That number you have to take expanded form of 9700605. That is the number. Expanded form of this number I want to write. Okay, this is the number only I am written here without zeros. Okay, 0 0 we don't read. But reading number 9 million only we can read. That's why I did not write it 0 0. Okay, in this number. Now I write first digit what is 9. First digit what is 9. First digit 9. Now 9 beside how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros not read. 6 zeros plus later what is the digit here? 7. Second digit 7. 7 beside how many digits are there? 1. Beside digits only how to count? By writing the expanded form. Don't count which digit we underlined. That don't count. Okay. 0 1 2 3 4 5. 5 zeros have to write. 5 zeros plus 0 0 0 expanded form 0 only. No need to write zeros. Zeros will. But by counting the digits we have to count zeros. What is the next digit? 6. 6 beside how many digits are there? 2 digits. 1 2. Later 0 is there. 0 being the term. Next digit is 5. That is the expanded form of the first question. Now we will go for the second question. B question was given 700 million 872,000 and 407. This is the question given to you. Okay, 700 million 872,000 and 407. That is the question given to you. We have to write the numerical form or standard form or number form. Three are same only. Now what is the highest place value here? 700 million. What is the highest place value? Million. So we have to write groups up to million. Which system we have to follow? International system. Don't forget that one. International system. Okay, now we can write the groups. Unit group, thousand group, million group. I am writing here million group. Without writing million groups, we will follow the places. Don't no need to worry about that one. Okay, million group, thousand group, unit group. Each group having how many digits in international system? 3 digits. Each group having 3 digits. Now we will write the number 700. We will write here 700. 100 place we will fill with the 7. Otherwise we will write 700. No problem. 700 also we can write. Next 800. Next which place it is? 1000 place. 800 related to which place? 1000 place. 800 in 1000 place 100 place will be 800. 72. Next 400. Unit group related 407. They given 10 place here. 72 I got here 7 million. 7 means we can write unit digit only 7. Okay, which digits are left here? 10th digit is left. That will take a 0. Next million 10 million also left empty. So that one also we have to take 0 0. Now we will write expanded form. Expanded form. How you can write expanded form? First digit is what here? 7. 7 beside how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 zeros not right. While writing zeros, we have to count after writing the zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sometimes we may forget 1 0 or 2 zeros. Otherwise we can keep extra zero also. That one also count. So we have to count. Later we have 2 zeros. Zeros no need to expand it. Okay, 8. 8 beside how many digits are there? 8 I am writing here. 8 place value. We have actually provided the expanded form. Writing place value is only 1 2 3 4 5. 5 zeros we have to write here. 5 zeros. Next is 7. Go for the next digit. 7 beside how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits have to write 0. Next digit is 2. 2 beside how many zeros are there? Digits are there? 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 digits you have to make 0. We have write 3 zeros. Beside that, next digit is 4. 4 beside how many zeros? 2 zeros. Because here we have 2 digits. While counting digits, we have to take the consideration of 0 also. Okay. Next last digit is 7. Last digit is 7. That is the first one. We will go for the second one. What is the second one? What we have today? This exercise is available in 16th page. Now we will write the question. I don't want to write a full question here, but short form only I am writing here. Okay, use proper commas in international system. In the international system of and write a word form. If you observe here, I did not write all the question. So okay, some important point only you consider and written here. Okay, what is the question here? Use proper commas in the international system. By using the international system, we have to place the commas for a given number. Whichever number is given to you, in that is how to place commas first. Later, what we have to do? Write the word forms. By using the international system place values, we have to write in words. Simply we can write this one also. A question. Totally 4 questions are there. I will explain 2 questions only. We can complete it in a. Okay, this is the question. This is the question. Complete yourself this one. I will not explain. Okay, by following this one, we have to complete that one. Okay, see here. We have to place comma. Use comma according to which system? International system. Which system we have to use comma? International system. That means we have to take number. What is the given number? Use commas. Which number is given? 7, 7, 8, 5, 8 given. Okay, by marking the comma in international system, start from the right side end. Right side end onwards I will take. Okay, after how many digits we will get comma? In international system, already we know. After every 3 digits from the right side, counting the 3 digits, place comma. Every 3 digits after we will get comma in international system. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3. No need to place comma here because this is only last number 7. No need to place comma. Okay, 3 digits. Okay, now we will write a word form. By using the word form, we can follow the place values or the groups. We will follow the groups. We will follow. Otherwise, you can write a number first. Here we will write groups. What is the number here? 7, 1, 7, 8, 5, 8. Where you got comma? Here we will got comma. Where you got comma? There you have to draw a line. What are the digits related to the group? What are the groups available here? Unit group is available. Thousand group is available. TH means thousand. Don't confuse. Unit U for unit group. TH thousand group. Okay, this is the number. In thousand group, what is the number is available here? 770. Not only right. 717. Which group it is? 1000. 717,000. Later, unit group is having which number? 856. 856. 56, 58, 58, 858, 858. Okay, what is the thousand place having 717? That only is written here. What is the root? It is 1000. Okay, unit group having which digits? 858. What is the group? It is the unit group. That only is written here. No need to confuse that. By following this one, we have to follow this one. Okay, here if you observe here, 3 is after place comma. Okay, here we will get comma. Here we will get comma. Later draw a line here. Unit group, thousand group, million group. Which group it is? A million group. Okay, now that one is how to complete yourself. Now we will follow the next question. Similarly, like that only you have to complete. Doing some also complete yourself only. I will not explain. By practicing only we will get a sums. This one also complete yourself. These two sums complete yourself. I will explain C sum. What is the C sum here? Okay, like that is given to you. Okay, 7562 3562. That one you have to place comma first. 7562 23 3562 3562. From by placing commas, what you have to remember? From right side you have to start. From right side you have to start. For every radius you have to give comma. In international system, every radius after we will place the comma. From right side onwards you have to start. Okay, right side and you have to start 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 2 is only last digit. No need to place comma here. Okay, now we have to take which number is there? 7 5 6 2 3 5 6 2. Where you got comma? The comma also you have to mark here. Okay, now where you got comma? There draw a line like this. Okay, for these numbers we have to write the groups. What you have to write? Groups. Otherwise you can use place values also, no problem. Okay, place values also you can use, but I think groups is very easy to us. Okay, how many groups are there? 3 groups. 3 groups means first group unit group, next group thousand group, next group million group, million after billion, billion after billion. So that one you have to practice first. That only you can understand. What is the million group? We are having digits 75. Now we will write a what? 75. Which is the group? It is a million. 75 million 623 623. What is the group? It is a 1000. 623,000. Unit group having 562. 562. Okay, unit group no need to write. That one like number only got. That is the answer for the first question. By using these two, these some complete yourself. Where you got comma, you have to memorize them and do that. Okay, I will not explain for the. Now we will go for that third one. Why the third one is now write the number. Here we have to write the following. Write the following numbers. Write the following numbers in both Hindu and international system. Both systems are here. Okay, what is the question given there? Here also we have these answers. This is very important model. Okay, what is the question? Write the following numbers. That is, they will give to you numbers in both Hindu system and international system. Okay, write in marks. Both Indian system and Hindu system is nothing but Hindu Arabic system or Hindu system is nothing but Indian system only. Indian system and international system we have to use write in marks. What is the question? First question. A question. Third one is 6, 7, 5, 6, 327. This is the question given to you. Okay, what is the question given? That is the hard way. First, I want to write a Hindu system. Hindu system is nothing but Hindu system is Indian system only. Hindu system is nothing but Indian system only. Okay, first we have to write a use commas. First we have to write a use commas. Okay, which number is given? That number we have to write use commas. From right side I want how to place comma. Already we know in Indian system how we can use commas. First comma we place after 3 digits. After first comma place after 3 digits. Later every 2 digits after we will get comma. Later every 2 digits after we will get a comma. That means first comma after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 comma. Later every 2 digits after we will get comma. Later every 2 digits after we will get comma. 1, 2. 1. This is the last digit. So now we need to place comma. Okay. Now we can write what form. What form. What is number here? 7, 5, 6, 3, 2, 7. Comma place here. Where you got comma? What is the number here? That only I copied here. Where you got comma, there you have to draw a line. Where you have to draw a line. Now we have to write groups. What you have to write? Groups. We have to write groups. What you have to write here? Groups. What is the group here? First unit group, thousand group. Here million or lakh. In Indian system we will get lakh. In Indian system which group we will get a lakh. Lakh after crore. Lakh after crore. While marking the groups or by writing the words, that is the Indian system or international system first recognize. Then only we can write. Sometimes we may write the Indian system as the international system. That is wrong. Okay. In Indian system, what are the groups are available? Unit group, thousand group, lakh group, later crore group. Crore is not available here. So no need. Now we will write down words. Now we will write the word from here. What are the digit lakhs group? 67. 67. What is the group name? Lakh. 67 lakh. 67 lakhs. In thousand group, what are the digits here? 56. 56,000. 56,000. 327. 327. Okay, in international system we will write. This is the Hindu Arabic system. International system. International system. Previously, for one question, we will use either international system or Indian system. Only one system only we use. But here we have to use two systems. Indian system we completed. Now we will go for the international system. We will go for the international system. We will go for the international system. What are the number here? We have to use commas. Commas. Okay. Place commas here. What is the number here given to you? 6, 7, 5, 6, 2, 3, 2, 7. 3 to 7. We have to start from the right side. In international system, where we have to place commas after every 3 digits. After every 3 digits, we have to place comma. That is 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Now we can write words. Okay, by writing the words, we have used to group or places. After which that one. Okay, write that number 6, 7, 5, 6, 3, 2, 7. Where you got comma? That one you have to place. That means as you know, I copied it here. Later, where you got comma, there you have to draw a line. There you have to draw a line. Now write the groups. What are the groups? 3 groups we have to write from unit group. unit group, thousand group after million or lakh. We are using here international system. We are using international system. International system means millions will be there, lakhs will not there. Million group. Now million group having by which it get 6 million. Now we will write the what? 6 million. 6 million. 6 million. What is the thousand group? 700. 756. 756. What is the group name? 1000. 325. 25. This is the answer. Okay, by following this one, remaining two sums are there. Two sums complete yourself. What are the sums are available there? B sum is 45607087. Do your own by using linear system, internet system. 8560707236. Okay, these two sums complete first. Later, we have to practice the linear system and internet system. Okay, internet system we have to practice. Okay, by practicing that only we can understand the comparison. Next class we will discuss the comparison of numbers.